Ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Me and Seth Money, here to H-Day. See you on the inside. Here we are, right here, about to run the Sport front-wheel drive class. We're talking about the big boys, big K-swaps. 850s are better. If you ain't running 850s, go home. What do you guys say about that, Seth Money?
I don't know, man. I'm excited to see it. First time, man.
Yeah, me too. Definitely. Look at it. There's so much good stuff going on. Look at all these people. It's a good time. Everybody's having fun. It's nice and sunny. What a balmy nice and sunny. Yeah, right. It's 55 degrees in Peru. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh man, look at this. It's a real deal right-hand drive Civic Type R. Right-hand drive. That's a real tanky Type R right there. Championship plate. Oh, that's beautiful. Let's get into this car show and see what's going on. See if we can't find an NSX in here somewhere. So every time I've talked about H-Series swaps, this is really what I'm talking about in my car. It's got the H23A. It's got the Skunk 2 intake manifold. Really didn't, and that was my biggest fear, is it talks about having to worry about that fuel filter. I mean, and I'm not seeing a big deal. Talking about having to mess with this, talking about the brake booster, but everything clears, and that's with an H-Series in there. I don't, come on, I don't see what the big deal is. One of my favorites right here, CK9 hatch. Clean in the white. That's nice. Yeah.
Tractor versus human.
All the ones I don't
Tractor versus human. It's like
that's all clean.
tractor will win every time.
All the Civics I don't mess with.
I run my own YouTube channel, man. Any shout outs?
To my twins and the wife. What's happening? AJ and Trey.
Good to meet you, my brother.
You too.
Take it easy.
Alright.
Here's another Skunk 2 intake manifold, and I'm not seeing the modifications that they warn about when you go ahead and do it. His proportionate valve is right there, where it's in the stock location. Now, he's probably got an inline fuel filter, and he's got a battery relocation, but he's pushing, and he's got the 70 mil throttle body. You know, like, I don't understand. I'm not even worried about it. I'm doing it. New Civic Type R. I can't get over these things. They are so beautiful. I don't know if these wheels are definitely not factory, but they're beautiful.
Again, remember, Lowe did not make a run yesterday, so this is our one and only shot. Possibly at the number one qualifying position because he qualified number one at the World Cup final just this past November. Here we go, Jonathan Reynolds. Can he go into that 943 to get into the field? 150 shortstop, both timers. Qualified 840 for West Pride, no help for again.
For all the haters out there, yeah, we're watching them hitting the 820s right now. It's early in the day. They're about to start hitting the high 7s. Me and Seth Money, we're about to go and just grab a spot in the bleachers and enjoy this. Of course, Seth just sat in some freaking EG that had a dumbass sound system watching the glass flex on it. I wouldn't normally just stop for any old thing. This little CRX is absolutely clean as I don't know what. This thing is beautiful. Right-hand drive, super beautiful. Not sure what he's got under there. Looks like a B20B, but regardless, something like this, you're talking beautiful. Absolutely. So what do we have here? It's a JDM Integra Type R when the American went to, with the USDM, I'm sorry, went to complete crap with the RSX. Right-hand drive. Beautiful. Yeah, those are those stock Brembos, baby. Gotta love it. This is a clean car. Completely stock. That Type R shift knob. This is why we get shafted in the United States. Don't ask me why, it's just we do. So, I'm not one to complain about anything, but I do have one little peeve, and I'm not going to say that it's bad, but I do have a peeve. This is a right-hand drive Type R Integra with a K-Series in it. It is pretty. I don't know if I'm digging the wheels, but to each his own. Wind is going to blow this hood down. There's another right-hand drive. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That's crazy. It's right-hand drive. He converted it back to USDM headlights. JDM headlights, USDM headlights. JDM headlights, USDM headlights. And they're both right-hand drive. Because reasons. So I finally found one. A Honda Beat. Right-hand drive. Oh, these things are so cool. What do you think, S Money?
Badass, man.
Something you don't see every day. Supercharged supercharged TL Type S. I found a couple NSXs, unicorns, amongst horses and zebras.
I think